Stencilease magnetic lettering stencils are the perfect way to label a variety of metal surfaces. Place the letters in the appropriate position using a spacer for any letters that repeat. Next, mask off the surrounding area with frog tape. The OneShot Ink Roller works great with the Stencilease magnetic lettering stencils. Once the ink cartridge is installed, shake the roller assembly and prime the ink by pressing the button repeatedly and periodically. Continue priming and rolling until ink evenly coats the foam roller. Next, lightly roll the ink into the stencil design. Apply multiple light coats from different angles to build color. To duplicate a letter, move the selected stencil to the open space and repeat the masking process. Frog tape also works great to help hold stencils in place. Now use the OneShot Ink Roller to stencil the remaining letters. Stencilease's magnetic lettering stencil set also includes numbers and commonly used punctuation for all your labeling needs.